Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how you can add the test network to your Solflare wallet. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna of course open the Solana or Solflare wallet. Left click on your Solflare wallet on your browser. My wallet is on Chrome, so it's right here. It's gonna prompt you to enter your password. You're gonna just enter your password. And here we are. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the bottom right corner, which is the gear icon right here, which is the settings icon. We're gonna left click on that, and after that we're gonna go to the general, and here you can see the language, currency, and the network, which is the main net. You're gonna left click on network, and as you can see we are on the mainnet network. We are going to left click on the testnet network, left click on that, and as you can see it's switching to testnet. Assets on testnet have no value. This network is for developer testing purposes, so you're just gonna click on continue, and here we are connected to testnet. So if we go back, all your assets you have, so any money you have on your wallet is gonna disappear. But rest assured, if you are just go to the settings button, just go to the general again, network, and to go back to your basically old wallet and to your money you have on your account, you're just gonna click on mainnet, and as you can see we are connected to the mainnet. After you go back, you're gonna see that all your funds have been retracted to your account and everything is fine. So that's it guys, that's how you basically add the test network to your